Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate to Grafana using API tokens for server dashboards, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authenticate to Grafana using API tokens, start by logging into your Grafana instance. Navigate to the left sidebar and click on Configuration. From the Configuration menu, select API keys. Choose a descriptive name that reflects its purpose. Next, select the role for the API key from the drop-down menu. The available roles typically include viewer, editor, and admin. For most dashboard management tasks, the editor role is recommended. Once you have entered the name and selected the role, click Add. Grafana will generate your API token at this stage. Important: copy the generated API token and store it securely. You will not be able to view the token again after this step. Now, open your preferred API client or command line tool. To authenticate using the API token, set up the authorization header. For example, in curl, you can add the header like this: authorization, bearer your _API token. Replace your _API token with the actual token you generated. Now you can make authenticated requests to the Grafana API. To test the authentication, try retrieving your dashboard list. Use the endpoint /API/dashboard/home. If everything is set up correctly, you should receive a successful response. You can now use this API token for various operations within your Grafana instance. Remember to keep your API tokens secure and regenerate them if you suspect they have been compromised. With these steps, you can easily authenticate to Grafana using API tokens. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.